Hi guys, today we're in the Toy Kingdom.
Oh, toys.
Do you want this?
Yeah.
Oh. I-show ko man face.
Learning fun. Ram. Ito toys ba?
Oh my gosh.
Ay, Diyos sa gani. Uman. Oh. Mamakal ko gawin sa ano ay. Mabakal lang ito mga gift bring. Aray sis.
This is my mom.
Hindi siya mana.
Oh.
Sis.
Powerpuff Girls. Oh.
Ari, isa ka vlogger.
Hello. See, wait. This is Blossom and where is Bubbles? I'm gonna show you. Care Bears. I love Care Bears. Care Bears. Ultra rare doll.
Surprise.
The rare.
Gamay lang. 349.
Oh.
Aki.
Oo.
The Skippable Me. Wow, cutie cups.
Show your face.
This is my cousin who lives in Manila.
Yeah, you want this, oh? Cute, oh?
Yes.
Sis?
Wow, damo pa.
Ate ta Jojo.
Oh, muffin. Wow, huh? What the? Hello, my dollhouse. Hello.
Okay.
This is a dollhouse, guys, but it is fake. Oh, where's the character? Where is the character? Basketball. Hello. Say hi. Hello.
Wow.
What the? Alam ko na eh. I love this song. Last Christmas is my favorite song. Last Christmas, sending my heart in the everlasting. Last Christmas, I'm sending my heart is what I bought, guys. And this is also similar.
Yeah.
Aww.
Ito ba?
Wow. Look at this.
Ito, wala na.
Oh. Plus course. I got this. So guys, I got this. Mom didn't got this for me and mom didn't got this for me.
Look at the alien.
Throw up. Hayate. Let me try, Mom. So guys, this is a hilarious toy. 3, 2, 1, eh. Yay! Ew! It threw up. It also threw up.
Nasuka sa bisang ko.
This is princess egg.
Ano na color?
This is for kids. Ramen! Wow, guys, this is a ramen. I love Last Christmas song. Where's the character? It threw up.
Sila lang nakadays ha?
Wow, puffy paws. What the? Egg. I mean, this is not an egg. Ew. That's sad. Look.
I'm gonna poopsie.